Hey Bobby, I wanted to shoot you over this video to show you some things that I can do to kind of help get you guys going in the right direction. I know you mentioned that you don't have a website currently, but I wanted to show you kind of some of the things that I could help you out with. So, looking at a Google search, for example, I did a search for Pensacola deck builders, and I came up with a bunch of different companies here. Now, the first thing that you're going to see typically whenever you do a search in Google is going to be ads. So this is somebody that is actually paying to be up at the top of the search. And so these are, hit or miss. So, it costs money to be up there, and it doesn't always pan out that they end up being customers. And so the next part underneath that would be the map section. So this is primarily where people are going to like call and get in touch with different businesses. So in order to get your business listed in here, we'll have to get that listed, and we'll get you a website, get that connected to your business, and then once we have the website up and running, we got your business connected in Google. We can start what's called citations, and citations is essentially starting to get your business listed into different directories. The more directories that you're listed in, the more eyeballs can come across your business, and they can start to find you for your services. So a citation, guys, it's essentially your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories, such as like Yellow Pages, um, Facebook. There's all sorts of different ones out there where you can get your business listed. And so our job would be to, not only get your website built, but then also find out what your competitors are currently getting listed in, and seeing if we can get you listed in those same areas as well. But we don't want to just stop at whatever your competition is doing. We want to, go ahead and do more, and then that way you'll start taking over your competition and start capturing more of that business. Beyond the map section here, underneath that, this is what we like to call the organic section. So these are having to do more with backlinks. So these are other websites that are linking back to your website once your website's completed, basically telling the world that this is the type of stuff that you guys do. So the internet's kind of like a popularity contest. So the more websites that you guys have pointing back to your website once it's finished, um, the more likely Google's going to give you as a result when somebody's searching for those types of business services, such as deck builders. Um, Looking at some of your competition that's already ranking in here, such as Pensacola Fence Company, I took a look at them, and we can definitely build you out something that looks, a lot more modern, kind of like what they have. I can show you some examples at the end here of some sites that I've done. Um, but looking at their website, you can see that they have a lot of content. Google really likes to see a lot of content right on the front page. It allows for you to start working in your keywords or key phrases, stuff that's going to get you more business. So, like fence or deck builders, having that type of information inside your website is going to help Google find you for that. So, looking at another tool, this is a tool I like to use called Ahrefs, and don't get too overwhelmed, but look here at the referring domains. So referring domains is basically the websites that are linking back to them saying that they're doing a good job. So there's 16 websites linking back to them with a total of 20 backlinks, getting them found for about 36 keywords, which means that they're getting around 51 people a month to look at their website, possibly interested in purchasing or hiring them for their services. So that's the kind of power that a website can help bring to your business. If you guys are looking to grow, or you guys are looking to expand or take on some more customers, the website's definitely a great way to kind of showcase your work that you guys do. As an example of kind of your competitor here, kind of showing off some of the work that they've done. Some of these might be stock images, but the more unique photos that you have, the better. They also have like a little video that they've done. But anyways, so these are all some of the things that I can help you out with. I'd love to help you out there, Bobby, and let me know what you thought about this video, and we'll hear from you soon.